It isn't Barbapapa, Barbamama, Barbabello, Barbabella, Barbabinche, Barbabora, Barbabob, Barbababe, Barbalala.
Hey now, welcome to Freedom Sufferer Cards video number 400. Sit down, man. And today, we celebrate the only way I know how to celebrate, with the Barbapapa family. I said, star power. We'll be getting into some stickers. We got 10 packs as we continue our Barbapapa experience. But before I do that, I would like to give out a couple of shoutouts. First one goes to a good friend, man. One of the people that helped me start this whole YouTube channel, Silver Zero Breaks, primarily a hockey channel, but he's got some high-end baseball on there and basketball from time to time, man. He's a big fan of all kinds of awesome stuff. And he's an awesome dude. He lives in the land down under, but he came from Canada. We have a lot of things in common. He's also got a soft spot for the Leafs. He's a Ducks fan, though. They got a great future. So does this man. We want to get him above and beyond 1,000. How about that, man? How about that? Yeah! So please, I will leave that information in the video description. I would appreciate if you check that out. The next shout out goes to JB's Ghost Hunting and Other Hobbies. I've given him shout outs before and he's getting one more, man. Except this time, I'm going to make it a little bit more spicy because not enough people jumped on over. At the moment of me recording this, he has 56 subs. If you would like a chance to win a Freedom Sufferer Cards Volume 1, 2, or 3 MP3 file CD, man, please head on over to JB's Ghost Hunting and Other Hobbies. Subscribe, and in the comment section leave hashtag #ISaidJB. That's all you gotta do. Gotta be subscribed. Gotta leave that hashtag #ISaidJB. And then you're in. And I will, sometime in the near future, do a duck race for the winner. Find out who the winner of that CD will be. All right. That's the way I want to celebrate the 400 episodes. I will leave his information in the video description, as well as Silver Zero Breaks. JB, yourself, you could also enter, my friend. Leave a comment on your own video that I'm going to leave a link to with the hashtag #ISaidJB. And you're in. All right. It's time now. We are ready for the Barbapapas. We brought out a foily Barbapapa. We got the family all together, man. They're all hanging out together here. We got the big, we got the jumbos, we got the Barba Kraken, man. We're ready. We are absolutely ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Because if you're not ready, I'm not even going to start right now. So I hope you're ready. All right, I'm going to start regardless if you're ready. How about that, man? Got Barbapapa right there, man. We're all hanging out. Barbabino, Barbabora, you got Barbabob. The artist that he is. Oh, of course, Barbabora. Yeah! The antlers. There he is. Barbabe. Little catfish. Barba, hup, hup, barba, truck. Barbabob. Flying, man. Meanwhile, Barbabe's all scared in the back. Barbabob is ever the artist. Reminds me a lot how I was as a kid, at least. Here we go. Look at these ever sportive Barbapora running around, man. Oh. Nice little Barba ship. Check that out. All right. Oh, well. If it isn't Barbapapa, man. Just clucking around. Oh, there he is. There he is, man. Star power. Yeah, you plant a seed. There's Barbapapa. See? They could turn in. Is that some kind of sea urchins? No problem at all, man. Barbapap's got it figured out. There is nothing too complex for the Barbapapas. Barbapapa family. All right, man. Huh? Well. Is that not Barbapapa, man? I said, look at that making music. Look at that. Barbapapa strumming those strings. She's strumming the strings of Barbapapa, and Barbapapa is just holding him up like he's nothing, man. A lot of Barbapapa going on here. Check that one out, man. Again, it's a Barbapapa party. Wow. Look at this. Barbapapa helping Barbalala put together that violin. Little skating around. Barbapapa and Barbapapa, of course. You look closely in the background. All the people coming over, chilling with Barbapapa, Barbamama. They're all like, hey, man. Barbapapa's just waving. Come on in. Everyone's welcome. There's not a single bit of hate in that family. It's all about the good times. Here you see them just fitting in. You know, they're just glorious. Now look at this. Taking care of all the little ones. We got some dogs in there, man. Cat. Barbapapas. There's a kid there. There's some things at the top, some birds, everything. Everyone's just having a good time. Everyone's safe. All right, man. Little mountain climbing. Oh, wow. What kind of Barba trick is this? Oh, my goodness, man. Barbapapa. All right. Look at this guy. Look at that tail. Look at that. You see that? Perfection. He's just trying to be one of those crazy birds. That's all. No problem at all there. Oh, you gotta just let Barbapapa do his thing. Can't get in the way, Barbapapa. Oh, I said snap. Here we go. Of course, the forever talked about duet performance. Who can forget Barbapapa, Barbalala, man? Harmonizing each other like only they can. Barbapapa, not all about looking good, man. Everyone thinks she's just looking into the mirror all the time, man, but frogs in love. Oh, down. There's the Barba family. Hey, it's a miniature version of what's going on up there, man. The one that fell. Oh, look at this Barba beetle type of thing. I said, Barba beetle, man. I said Barbapapa. Wild. And the one that fell. He's okay. He's always okay. Barbapapa. Look at those birds having a good time. Birds of feather. Birds of feather. Oh, looks like we got some star power. It was inevitable that this was going to happen. But here it is. I said star power, man. Barba Mama. All right. Oh, Barba Bob. Look at that. Barba Lizard. My goodness. Oh, we have this one. Barbalala is not a big fan of what Barba Bob is doing. Hear that sweet music. Quack put. Yeah. Look at this. Are there Barbakrakens in here? No, but they're just chilling out in the sea, having a good time. There you go, you got Barba Walrus. Oh, snap! All fired up now, man. What a way to ring in 400 episodes. Give me a break. Are you kidding me? I'm all fired up now, man. There you go. There you go. Oh, just chilling out, having a good time. A good time. A good time. All the way down, man. All the way down. Yeah! My apologies, that was absolute madness. We're back now. Just having a good time, man. Alright. I just knocked the phone into absolute oblivion. There you go, look at them flying around, parachuting. Barbapapa, Barbamama doing the trick. They're doing the trick. Barbalala, Barbapapa. They're all, the other ones are just in the bottom, waving. Again, who's saving the day? Who's saving the day? People screaming for their lives. Barbapapa's just chill, just come on, man. No problem at all. Not on my watch, man. And there you go. Of course, Barba Bincha being a Barba mosquito. Madness. There's Barba Duck. Barba Bay. All right. 2 packs to go. What can we possibly find here? Got a Barba Giraffe. That's Barba Bincha doing her thing. We have this one, I believe. We got Barba Bincha and Barba Bora. Man, Barba Bella just watching along. Barba Bob, the ever artistic one. There you go. Little frog chilling with them. Look at this. Look at this. Sid. Just warms the heart, man. Look at this. Look at this, man. Check this out. Look how happy that cat is, man. The dog's all happy now. Now the elephant's all happy, man. My goodness, look at that planet. Give me a break. Is Green Legs there? We don't know. Probably. Look at Barbamama. Look at what she's doing. Like, absolute goodness right here, man. No problem at all. Barba Bob. We got 2 left. I hope you have enjoyed this. I sure have. Here we go. Barba Bob, Sid, Star Power, man. Love these ones. We got a Barba Camel there. Barba Benno. Or not Benno. Barba Benno. With blue, man. Barba Bay. Barba Bay. Yeah! Look at that music. Sweet music being made. Barba Bob. He loves that porcupine. And check this out. They are making a Barba snowman. Now I've seen everything, man. Look at Barbapapa in the background there with Barbamama. See the love? Do you see the love? That's what it's all about. Alright. Last pack. There they are. Wishing everyone a good time. Of course, you've got Barba Bella and Barba Bincha, man. And Barba Lala. Look at the dance. Right. Barba Bella with that mirror again, making sure those lashes are looking top form. Barba Plain, man. Oh, Barba Bob is in trouble. Looks like he's stuck on a fence. The cow, no problem at all, man. Barba Seahorse. We end. Can you believe this? We end on a Barba Seahorse. My goodness, Sid. There it is, man. Barba Bincha. Barba Bincha, man. All right. That was fun. I hope you enjoyed this awesome extravaganza. 400 videos. Thank you to everybody out there. All of the subscribers, everyone that's liked or watched. Thank you all. Let alone the racks and... oh, I could go on and on and on. Don't forget, if you want one of those volume 1, 2, or 3 CDs, head on over to JB's. I will have that information, everything you have to do. All right. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give the video a like. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Leave a comment letting me know your thoughts. Don't forget, JB, Silver Zero Breaks. Check them both out. Appreciate that. Take good care of yourselves. Take good care of those around you, man. Don't put anyone in the danger zone. You don't want any static with me, man. Oh, no. Freak out, man. Yeah. I'll see you soon. Real soon.
Slow it down. All the way down. Barbapapa. 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 Yeah. Barbapapa. Yeah. Beach. Barbapapa. 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 Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Macho Madness, yeah. Barbapapa. Dig it. It is in Barbapapa, Barbamama, Barbabello, Barbabella, Barbabinche,